Yeah, it's the boy Night in the building, baby. Tell 'em, you already know. Tell 'em, money kill time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, of course. So I'm about to do an unboxing, and y'all want to know what's in here. Since I already labeled a video, you already know what is inside of it. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of my bumper. I know you guys know. Well, if you guys haven't seen that video, it's been like a while back last year that I got in a little accident that I dented. I got hit on the side of my bumper, so I had just ordered a new one. It's actually prime and everything, and I'm gonna try to do what I am going to do, a unboxing. Look how big the box is. It came in yesterday. I had actually made this hole right here. So yeah, it came in yesterday from FedEx. I had basically ordered it online off of eBay. It was like 98 bucks. It wasn't bad. Other website it was more expensive, and it's brand new, so it's not even a used one. It's actually brand new, guys. So let's get down to business. I'm actually inside of my room, so if it looks messy, sorry about that, guys. Like, I've been just real busy, so I haven't been like doing anything like cleaning or anything. All right, so well, this is a huge box. Okay. Yeah, the box is like huge. Real huge. And the way how they made it, you know what? I'm gonna have to lay it down flat. Hold on, let me. Okay, guys, I think I had really needed some help to take it out. I had to pause. Sorry about. I had to pause it. I should have a knife to like bust it open to look at it, but that's the company. As you can see, that I had that I ordered from, but it was on eBay, so it was real cheap. 98 bucks. It was basically a steal, because I seen some for like 1 and change and some for like 2 and change in the range, and for this to be brand new and it's actually prime, so I still gotta get it painted. I do want to bust it open, like, to actually show you guys. You know what, I'm gonna go and grab a knife, and I'm gonna actually show you how the prime color actually looks. So give me a second. Okay, guys, this is the flat black right here. See it? This is what they call flat black. So it's prime. Well, actually, yeah, I call it flat black, but it's prime, guys. So all I need is to get it painted the same silver as the color of my car, and I'll be good to go. And I wish I could show you more, like, but it's folded. I didn't want to really unfold it. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. It's brand new, as I said. It's flat black, and I just gotta pay, I don't know, I said like probably about $200 just to paint this whole bumper. And I could just install it myself, and I'll be good to go, guys. Well, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I know you guys wish y'all could see the whole thing, but it's just a bumper, guys. I mean, it's nothing really special. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing. Really appreciate you guys. And that's about it. Peace out and bye-bye.